in Primetime News this evening.
Nomination day is February the 8th. And today we continue with the Jamaican Labour Party in control. It's February the 26th.
Local government election date set. Jamaicans to go to the polls on February 26. Low voter turnout, the issue candidates vote to address in the upcoming local government elections. And later, Distracted, part 2 of a TVJ special report on police officers using cell phones while on duty.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. And also a special welcome to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands and to those of you watching online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious with a preview of what's to come in business news. Here's Javon Keys.
Well, Janella, we'll have some more from the IMF press briefing. They're going to speak about inflation as well as some news on iCreate. So I'll have that and much more a little later on.
All right, and Spencer Darlington is here with a preview of what's to come in Primetime Sports. Spencer?
Thank you, Herman. Well, the West Indies will start the quest for back-to-back ODI series victories. Tonight, Jamaica time, they'll take on Australia. We'll give you more in Primetime Sports later.
It's amazing how everybody is now a fan of the West Indies. But I'm sure a lot of people will be watching that match. There's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
And our question this evening. Do you know the candidates contesting the local government elections in your division?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica and on X at TVJ News Center.
Please stay tuned. Primetime News returns after this break.